Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is the Rode VideoMic NTG. It's their latest microphone and it offers quite a lot of neat features, and at the moment, being that a lot of people are at home, this might be a good microphone to use if you have to do a podcast, or if you have to do a call or something, or even if you want to record really good audio for your video work. So anyway, like all my videos, let's get it out the box, have a look at this microphone and see if it's something you might want to get. Okay, so the first thing is basically the manual, which will show you how to set this microphone up and how you can use it in various different options you've got available to use it in. So you can use it on your camera, you can use it on your phone, and you can use this one on your PC. So that's pretty good. So basically this will give you the guide on how to operate that. Next is a couple of cables. Basically you've got a USB-C cable here, and also you've got your 3.5mm audio jack cable. So you've got two of those cables in the box. Comes with the standard windsock type device for the microphone with Rode printed on it, which is quite good. And finally we've got the microphone itself, and as you can see it's pretty nice looking. It's made of a metal construction with a sort of dampening rubberized sort of plasticky type mount so that it can stop the sound penetrating the microphone, which is pretty good. You've got plenty of cable management on this bracket, and this is also adjustable, so you can put this on your hot shoe and adjust it in and out a bit so your microphone's not sort of sticking too far in front of your camera. You've got lots of inputs. You've got a USB-C port which can operate being plugged into for charging because it's got an internal battery, but you can also use that to operate it as a PC microphone with your USB connection. You've also got your standard 3.5mm jack, so you can connect this to your camera, and you've got lots of different options. Now what I will do is I will follow this video up with a proper sound test so that you can see what the sound quality is like. But overall, I think this is pretty neat microphone, and if you're isolated at the moment, you might want to get one of these because you'll be able to use it to produce really good audio anyway. Also, just to add to the video, I basically also picked up the actual Wombat, basically dead cat adapter for the microphone, so if I want to use it outside I can dampen the sound. I know it comes with a standard windsock, which is this thing, but this one would be a lot better. So we'll get the microphone like so and we'll put it on. So you can see it's of a reasonable size. It's a bit more bulkier than the standard one, but it will actually dampen the sound from wind a lot better. So I'll just put that on like so, and now you can see the microphone with the windsock. Now basically in this video this is just going to be the unboxing, and what I'm going to do is follow this up with some sound tests when I can use this microphone out and about. But until then, as always, keep safe and thanks for watching.